Where do we find Populate 3D? Under Vectors, there you find it. Populate 3D. Now, what is the region? The region, you can find it by extracting the parameter, and this is the parameter. But wait, let me show you something. If you right click and set one box, you might be thinking about selecting this box that I have over here, but not. This is asking you for the first corner right there. Let me select endpoint right here, endpoint, the opposite corner, and the height. So I'd rather use the brep. It's up to you. This one is just a box. This one will also select the bounding box, but I can select something like this. And this will give me the bounding box of the cylinder. So later on, we can find only the points that are inside the volume. So one more time, you can use the region or you can use the brep. It's up to you.